Today we're going to prepare one of my favorite dishes, homemade gnocchi. These tiny potato dumplings are easy to make from scratch and are perfect for weekday meals. Let's get started. First, boil one large potato in salted water, then let cool slightly. Peel the potato, cut in half, and press through a ricer. Make a well in the center and sprinkle flour over the potato. Add egg yolk, olive oil, and salt mixture into the well and incorporate everything to form a smooth dough. Cut into 4 pieces, roll into strands, and then cut into pieces. Shape with a board or fork and place on a sheet pan lined with parchment, then freeze. Once frozen, transfer to a freezer bag. To prepare, boil, then enjoy sautéed in olive oil or your favorite marinara. Learn more by visiting bigY.com. Be well.